Hi guys, today you are going to learn on Unit 4 Special Relationship from your close-up book, page 48. Our lesson today will be on listening. Okay, now let's look at page 48. What can you observe from the two pictures? Can you describe the people and their situation by guessing what might have happened before and after the pictures were taken? What kind of emotions the girl might be feeling? Sad? Hurt? Disappointed? Probably. So today in our lesson, we'll be looking into emotions. Okay, now, exercise A. Do these words express positive or negative emotions? Write P for positive and N for negative. Respect someone, feel ashamed, trust someone, be angry, be proud, be jealous, argue with, felt let down, be impressed, and be disappointed. So decide which is positive and which is negative emotions. Okay, I believe you can do that. Now let's check your answers. Respect someone. It's a positive emotion. Feel ashamed. It's a negative emotion. Trust someone. Positive emotion. Be angry. Negative emotion. Be proud. It's a positive emotion. Be jealous. Of course, it's negative emotion. Argue with. Negative emotion. Feel let down. Yes, it's a negative emotion. Be impressed. It's a positive emotion. And be disappointed. It's a negative emotion. Now, have you ever felt all these emotions? Like, who's the one person you respect the most? Have you ever fallen out with anyone? Have you ever let down anyone or be proud of someone close to you? Ever felt shame in any situation? Well, if you have, then you can share all about them in the comments below. Okay, for task B, you are going to listen to 4 people talking. Speaker 1, 2, 3 and 4. And you have to match them according to how they feel. Okay? So let's look at the question first. Speaker 1 feels angry or feels let down. Speaker 2 is disappointed or has argued with someone. Speaker 3 respects someone or is proud of someone. Speaker 4 feels ashamed or is jealous of someone. Now, let's listen.
Listening, Unit 4, page 48, B. Speaker 1.
I'm feeling really down right now. I can't talk to my school friends about my problems. They never listen to me. My teachers don't help me either, and I've failed all my exams.
Speaker 2.
I used to be really good friends with a girl I met at college. But recently, we've disagreed on loads of things and got angry with each other, so we don't speak to each other anymore. It's for the best, really.
Speaker 3.
My new boss is great. She's really easygoing, even when there's a huge problem. And I think it's amazing how she copes with everything. She's so professional.
Speaker 4.
I've been keen on another girl for over a month now. I've paid her loads of compliments and even asked her out. But I haven't told my girlfriend. That's bad, I know. I'm not proud of it.
Okay, so I believe you have got all your answers. Okay, let's check. Speaker 1. feels let down. Speaker 2 has argued with someone. Speaker 3 respects someone. And speaker 4 feels ashamed. Now, you have listened to the audio just now, and you know there are differences in what is spoken and what is asked in the question. Now, listening for similar words is just like what you've listened before in Task B, where the phrases have been paraphrased according to the speaker. Now, at this level, you are actually expected to be able to work out how the way in which someone speaks, as well as what they say, affects the answer. Now, when we speak, our emotions are usually obvious to the listener. Okay, you can read the exam close up to understand how to listen to similar words. Okay, so in this task, I would like you to read the questions and underline any keywords, and also to think about the synonyms that you might hear from the audio for each question. Okay, you can pause this video to do just that. Once you are done, you can resume the video. Now, you will hear an audio about a boy called Danny and a girl called Kathy talking about different people in their family. You have to decide if each sentence is correct or incorrect. So you have to write T for true, F for false. So get ready, I'm going to play the recording now.
Listening, Unit 4, page 48, D.
You will hear a boy called Danny and a girl called Kathy talking about different people in their family. Decide if each sentence is correct or incorrect. Write T, true, or F, false.
Hi, Danny. How are you? The last time I saw you, you weren't getting on very well with your brother and sister. Are things any better?
Well, sort of. I'm speaking to my younger brother now, but he still drives me crazy when he takes things from my room and he doesn't ask me first.
Yes, I totally understand how you feel. My sister often goes into my room and borrows my clothes, but she doesn't tell me. It makes me so angry. What about your sister?
She's okay. I think because she's the oldest, she tries to stop my brother and me arguing all the time. In fact, she really listens to my problems and tries to help me when I'm in a bad mood.
That's great. My dad is usually the one that helps us solve problems when we don't agree on things in my house. He always tries to make us sit down and talk about things in a calm way.
Really? That's amazing.
Yeah, but it doesn't always work. I find it difficult to say what I really want to say when I'm angry, and then I feel a bit stupid and uncomfortable.
I know what you mean. Anyway, talking about something more positive, I heard you got the highest mark in the class in the maths exam. Your parents must be pleased.
Yeah, I did. But I studied for hours, you know? My mum is so happy. She's been telling everyone about my results. How embarrassing.
Come on, let's celebrate. Do you want an ice cream?
Okay, I believe you've got all the answers by now. If you don't, you can rewind back to the audio and listen again. Once you are done listening, we will discuss the answers. Okay, we shall discuss the answer. Number 1. Danny has a good relationship with his younger brother. False. Kathy identifies with Danny's problem. It's true. Danny's sister doesn't support him very much. It's false. Kathy's dad isn't interested in his children's problem. False. Kathy sometimes feels embarrassed when she talks about her problems. It's true. And last one, Kathy hasn't got very good maths exam results. It's false. Okay, with that we are done with today's lesson on listening. I hope you have brushed up your skills on listening. And that's all for today. Bye bye. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.